Hello everyone, it's Gigi. Welcome to my channel. This is number 18 into my birthday challenge giveaway. And this one's from Christine Johnson. Hi Christine. And we are going to open it up and see what is inside. Oh my gosh, some goodies. Okay, I got everything out. Oh, I got some goodies, Oh, how pretty. So we got these beautiful flat back, pearl, what do you call these? They're like pearls with their, oh, these are so pretty. I just love that. And look at the hearts. Oh my gosh, those are so, ooh, and the pink ones. Ooh, I don't have anything like these. Oh, I love these. These are going to be so pretty for her shabby projects. Oh, thank you so much, Christine. Oh, and look how she did the little heart dangly right here with the bow. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. Oh, I love. Okay, and then she wrapped up her memory decks. So pretty. I can use this ribbon. Okay. And I saw it on Instagram, guys, and it was so pretty. I am so excited to see it in person. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's get the paper out of the way so I can show y'all. Okay, let me take it out of this paper, if I can figure it out. I always have a hard time finding the ends. Okay, here. On this side or this side? Okay, this side. Give me 1 second, guys. Just trying to get it out of the plastic. So we can ooh and ah over it, or so I can ooh and ah over it. Oh my goodness. Guys, check this out. Look how gorgeous this is. Christine, oh my gosh, hun. So it has a dress form right here. And then it has some paper. And then like a doily paper. It has some, what do you call this? Cheesecloth. Oh, it has some fabric. Some lace. Some paper, some lace up here, or some tulle maybe. It looks like did she sew it on? She just glue it? Oh my gosh. And look at the little heart down here with the bow, with the trim hanging down. Oh my gosh, y'all see how beautiful this is? And then the little flowers in different places and clusters. Oh my gosh. That is absolutely gorgeous, Christine. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's read her little note on the back. So her YouTube is ShabbyPinkHouse. Her Instagram is also ShabbyPinkHouse. Her birthday is November 7th, so it's coming up. Her favorites are shabby chic, light pink, and white. Which I already knew about the shabby chic, and I know she likes pink. Oh my gosh, Christine, this is just gorgeous. Thank you so very much for entering. And thank you for the goodies. I absolutely love them, and I love this. Thank you so much, Christine. Guys, there's still time for you to enter. Just ask me for my address, and I'll give it to you. And as long as I know that you're entering, you're still good, okay? All right, guys, love you. Bye.